welcome back. Today we're gonna see what happens when you put a bar of ivory soap in the microwave. It came from my very own baby up in North Georgia. Since you don't really know her, you can just call her my grandma. You just need a plate and a bar of ivory soap.
And James, what do you think will happen when you put it in the microwave?
I think it's gonna get even harder, and it will turn brown.
Hard.
This bar of ivory soap into that microwave.
Okay. There it goes.
And
And close. So you see what will happen? Can you guys see the soap?
I can't see one. It's pretty hard to see.
What's happening to it, James?
It's growing.
It's growing.
Bigger.
Is this cool? How big do you think it'll get?
I think it's getting bigger.
Okay, we're down to the last 10 seconds. Look how big it got. We're gonna add on a little more time. You can go up to 3 minutes, your BB said, but we're gonna just do 2 minutes. Because it looks huge to me. James, why do you think the soap expanded in the microwave?
I think it's because it looks harder.
Remember I told you about the air inside this bar of soap? Do you think maybe the air is making it blow up?
Yeah, maybe.
What does it look like to you?
It looks like a giant white crystal.
A white crystal. I think it looks like a cloud.
It looks like a spinning white crystal to me. Crazy cool.
Yeah.
Now we let the soap cool off for a couple minutes. Now we get to squish it and play with it.
All right, let us know how it feels. Catherine, do you want to try?
Oh,
Yeah, come here.
feels-
Yeah, they do.
We're going to turn this soap into something cooler. Stay tuned if you want to see what it's going to be. Thanks for watching. Thanks to the wonderful world of science. Bye.